Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your photo talks with the AI talking photo in Pippit AI. So if you ever wanted to bring your favorite portraits, headshots, or even memes to life, so with Pippit AI, you can turn any static image into a realistic talking head, and in here I'm going to show you how. So first you can just head to Pippit.ai, and then you can here just find the popular features. You can see the AI talking photo. Just click on try it now. Okay, so now you'll be asked to drop your photo. So you can see the preview of the results like this one in here. So this one is a still photo, but it can becomes a talking photo. So let's just add a photo first in here. Let's say I'm going to add this photo. You can just tap on open, crop your photo and tap on done. Okay, let's just wait until the photo is uploaded. Now you can just click on this box, click on next. Okay, let's try to upload a new photo. Let's try maybe this one. Okay, so once you upload your photo, you can write the script, or you can also upload audio clip if you have one. So in here you can also choose the voice. You can click on the play
Welcome
button
to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
Voice first.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something.
Welcome to Pippit.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
Okay.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
I think I'm going to just use this one in here. Click on confirm. And then let's write, click on edit to add the script. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's say I'm going to just write this. Tap on save. And now you can also describe the pose, gesture, or camera movement, but this is optional. I'm going to just click on export. And here you can adjust the export settings like the resolutions, quality, and also the frame rate. I'm going to just click on download, and after that you can just wait until it's done. So I think it takes a few minutes. It might also take about 30 minutes, so you can just wait until it's done, and after that your photo will talk. So that's all for me. If you want to also use the this feature, you can join me by clicking on the link down in the description box. You can just click on that to join Pippit AI. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.